Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need two-factor authentication turned on for your Apple ID. Once done, sign in to Appleid. Apple, com from a browser. Locate the security section and click Generate Password under App-Specific Passwords. Name the password for the purpose, for example, Mail iPhone, and click Create. Copy the long, one-time app password that appears. Make sure you copy it exactly. You're now ready to insert this string into the app on your iPhone. Instead of your main on your iPhone, open the app where you need access, then go to Settings or the app's Account section. Edit the account tied to your Apple ID and locate the password field. Delete any saved password and paste the app-specific password you copied earlier. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Tap Save or Done, then allow the app a moment to re-authenticate and sync mail or data. Once it reports connected or finishes syncing, the app is using the app password as intended. After saving the new password, test the app by sending mail or syncing data. If it fails, force quit and reopen the app, then try again. If authentication still fails, return to Appleid. Apple, com to revoke that app password and generate a fresh one. This fixes copy/paste errors or accidental spaces. Make sure you use the app password instead of your Apple ID password. Finally, name each generated password clearly so you can revoke specific ones later, without affecting other devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.